Rust is the new upcoming language of the future, and here's why it's the best for new programmers. Well, first off, Rust is extremely fast. It's compiled and has no runtime like Python or JavaScript. And because of that, it's able to be as fast as C or C++. Not only that, but Rust has also introduced some really cool features like the ability to set the memory limit for a function, or the ability to have multiple return values from a function. And those aren't even the coolest features of Rust. The coolest thing about Rust is how it handles errors. Rust has this built-in concept called the result type, which can either be an error or a value. And by using the result type, you're able to handle all errors at once with one simple return statement. And this makes your code clean and concise. And not only that, but this also prevents you from accidentally unwrapping an error, which will cause your program to crash. And if you don't believe me, just take a look at this example where we try to open a file that doesn't exist. In this case, we're using the standard library's File API to open a file. And if the file doesn't exist, then we get an error. Now, in most languages, you would just catch this error and then maybe print out an error message. But in Rust, we do something different. Instead of catching the error, we simply return it. And this is possible because the File API returns a result type. And now we can handle this error anywhere in our code with one simple return statement. This is just one example, but you can do this with pretty much any error in Rust. And this makes Rust code extremely clean and concise. Not only is Rust extremely fast and has awesome error handling, but it's also very safe. Rust has this built-in concept called the borrow checker, which is a static analysis tool that checks for potential memory issues at compile time. This means that you can't accidentally access memory that's out of bounds or use a dangling pointer, which will cause your program to crash. The borrow checker will simply prevent you from doing these things at compile time. And this is just the tip of the iceberg with Rust. There's so much more to learn and explore. And that's why I'm so excited about this language. It's a breath of fresh air compared to all the other languages out there. So if you're a new programmer, I highly recommend checking out Rust. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.